Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use secret conversation on Facebook Messenger, updated method for private encrypted chats. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open your Messenger app and make sure you're using the latest version to access all features. Step 2. Tap the profile of the person you want to chat with privately. Then click Go to Secret Conversation. It will open a new encrypted chat window. Step 3. Now you're in a secret conversation. Everything you send, messages, photos, and voice notes, will be fully end-to-end encrypted. Step 4. Tap the timer icon next to the chat box. Set messages to disappear after a few seconds, minutes, or even a day after they've been read. Bonus tip: you can have both a regular and secret conversation with the same person at the same time. Just switch between chats easily. And that's how to use secret conversation on Facebook Messenger. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more simple tech guides. See you next time!